In the past two lessons, we have talked about the consonants and vowels in Tibetan language. But in this lesson, we'll talk about head letters, also known as surmounted letters, which is Gochin. And what do I mean by that is there are three letters, and these three letters can be added on the top of limited consonants. So each letter has limited consonants, and that will make a different kind of sound. So in this lesson, we are going to look at the subjoined rago. So you can see the three letters in the image: ra, la, and sa. So in this video, we're going to focus on rago. Get ready for the lesson. Okay, now let's look at the consonants that can be added at the bottom of the letter ra, rago. So there are 12 consonants. That's why we call it rago chunyi, because chunyi means 12.
Don't allow. Allow.
Now, let's talk about the consonants that can be added at the bottom of the letter ra. So, the letters that can be added at the bottom of the letter ra or rago is, there are 12 letters. So we say rago chungi. There are 12 rago. So let's find out what are the consonants. The consonants are ka, kha, nga, cha, nya, ta, tha, pa, ma. Okay, pa, ma, za, za. So when we add rago sign at the top of these 12 letters, it can make a sound. Okay, so it will make a different sound. So to understand this, I'm gonna tell you how it sounds like. So I'm gonna pronounce it, how we read it normally, how we spell it. So, and you can see in the image, and you can read it also along with me. So let's go. Okay, and also you can read along with me. So I'm gonna put a pause after every single letter. Let's go. Rakata ka, ragata ga, rangata nga, rajata ja, ranyata nya, ratata ta, radata da, rabata ba, ramata ma, razata za, razata za. So now I have to explain you some things you need to remember. The letters ka, tha, pa, and the nasal sounds that are included in this writing will be pronounced differently. So ka will be ga, the letter ka, the third letter ka, ka, ka. And the letter nga will be nga, high tone. It will be nga, not nga. And the letter cha will be pronounced as ja, like a J in just. And the letter nya will be pronounced like nya. And the letter tha will be pronounced as da. Okay, so that's not dh anymore, it is d, da. And the letter pa will be pronounced as the letter, not the letter, the ba sound, b, ba. So, and the rest would be same. Ka is the same, ka. Okay, and ta is the same, ta. So za and za are same pronunciation, even if you add the rago into it. Yeah, that's it for today's lesson. And if you enjoyed the lesson, so you can, if you like to be up to date in latest content, you can subscribe to the channel and select all notification on the bell icon so that you can get all the notification. And also, if you know that anyone is interested in this, in learning in this language, or in learning this language, you can share to that person. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me questions. And if you need any materials or any notes, you can tell me in the comments. I'm going to try to provide those things as well. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please share.